Hi, welcome to Mindful Investing channel and my first video. My goal for this channel is to show the journey of my portfolio on investing, dividend, and capital growth. I am no mean consider myself as an expert investor. I'm just an average investor trying to be better at understanding the stock market and trying to learn more from it. I want to create a content more about dividend and capital growth on my investment journey. As you can see, I'm currently using Robinhood and also currently planning to transfer to another brokerage. This is my portfolio here, 68,000. And the reason why the number is changing is because of I have one in crypto invested for fun. First, let me briefly summarize about how I got into the stock market at age of 19 and my life a bit. It all started when I was working in BMW as a detailer making $17 per hour. My pay rate are based on San Francisco, and yes, living here is expensive, FYI. So when I started to receive paycheck by paycheck, the money in my bank, those numbers are just sitting there like it was frozen. And I thought of myself, in the future, am I going to work until I'm like 60-ish to retire by saving paycheck by paycheck? I have no college degree, graduated out of high school, went to college 1 year when a financial aid was still covering me, but after that, problem happened. My parents worked overtime, so the income increased it. Then FAFSA rejected it because my parents' W-2 tax form showed it the income had increased it. I did not like loans, plus I'm not gonna graduate out of college to repay debt. Each semester cost 3.2K back when I was still attending. Now I do not know. My parents want me to meet me in a half and want me to pay the other half for college. I have no jobs. I was like, where did I get the money from? So I got a job from BMW. Fast forward back to BMW 2016. I was Googling to see how can I use money to make more money. That is when I stumbled upon the stock market. Thank you, Google. At that time, I was young and naive and hungry for easy, fast cash. So I tried to be a day trader. In my perspective, back then, $10,000 investment with 1% bullish would give me a $100 return easily per day. So, I deposit down 10K instantly, and I never thought of the bearish. I was blinded by easy money. I watched YouTube, Google, every kind of sources you can find on the internet for tutorials. I search for candlestick patterns, average movement, and all kind of indicators just to study. Fast forward to late 2017. I lost 1.3K approximately. Then I found out I was not gifted as a day trader, so I gave up and just worked. In 2018, I found a new job as assistant store manager trainee for Walgreens, which I got hired for $18.50 per hour, so a $1.50 increase. Much better work environment and good experience for my resume. In the time frame between 2018 to 2019, I started as a swing trader, which gave me no result for about a year. No loss, no gain. Then switched to option trading, lost about 1.4K. So I gave up again and chose a long-term dividend and capital investment to try it out. So in late 2019, I started dividend capital investment when the virus about to have a huge impact on the news. As you can see from here, I regained back from what I lost from option trading in the time frame August to December in 4 months. Those profits make my eye got bigger for a moment. I knew this is the one path I should walk. I invested in companies which consumer demand and some high dividend companies. Barely study much or research much. I let my patience play the key role and just to watch and try not to have feelings on the numbers dropping. Thanks to the experience before that costed me to lose money, I gained the important skill of being a risk taker. Forward to when the pandemic impacts the market at the highest danger, which causes everyone to sell off due to the news comparing the Great Depression and Great Recession. I did the opposite and just kept on hold and continued to buying because I believe once it is over, that market should regain it slowly back to its original price as in a V shape. The reason why I bought more is because I see it as a discount. It pained me at the same time to see my portfolio plummet 13K loss, and I know I started the investment in a bad timing, but I got through it. At the same time, around March 2020, I found a new job, got hired as operational manager. same title as assistant store manager, not trainee, and getting paid $22 per hour in CVS. As I make more in active income, I continue to deposit and buy more stocks on new companies that get hit hard but will be constantly bullish when the pandemic is over. As year goes by, now we have vaccine. 1 year time frame, I gain return of 71%, which gave me $28,000. Some percentage of from one crypto I bought for fun, which gave me in total return of 4,000. I could have sold when it get return of 6,000, but I kept it hold onto it for a reason. On an all time frame, I gained 31%, 16,000 return, and regained everything I lost back when I was in BMW until now. I'm sure you guys noticed I blur out the ticker that I bought on my stock portfolio. In coming next video, I will discussing what and why I bought those companies. If you guys like this kind of content, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.